In this video, we will be exploring Ardent AI and reviewing if it's actually a worth a tool to explore. So, Ardent AI is an AI powered no code automation platform that empowers non technical users to build sophisticated, reliable workflows simply by describing tasks in plain English. So, this actual prompting is what makes it interesting. But the question is, does this deliver? So, Ardent AI has something called Playbook. It delivers consistent outputs across runs to eliminate surprises, and it serves as a co pilot, drafting automations from natural language inputs or uploaded SOPs and documents. So it scales seamlessly from individual daily reports to team workflows, integrating over 250 tools and 2,000 actions. The operation and growth teams automate spreadsheet updates into outbound emails weekly versus manual processes. To ask for the pricing, it doesn't offer any free trial. It's only available for early access and it starts around $6 and it's subject to change depending on its actual pricing. So it offers free forever plan as well, so don't worry. It's supported for your browsers, so you know it's cloud-based. It's good for medium businesses and small businesses. However, they do not support API and the only modes of support is online. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.